Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Cosine's VS Code extension to build your own website, your own project, or whatever you have in mind. More specifically, in this example we are going to see how I build my own personal project. I did quite a lot of things, I'm really happy with the result, so let's get started. The first thing that you will need is to find Cosine's VS Code extension in the marketplace. After that, you can just install it. It's free to use. It is important to know that currently it's available on Mac and Linux, and before starting using it, you should have downloaded the Cosine CLI. Alright, now I asked Genie to create for me a website. And in this website, it should take all the information that I had on my GitHub README page. Basically, I needed 5 categories. One for my information, let's say an About Me section, a video section, an article section, a speaking section, and last but not least, some links, so a link section. And I also got a little bit inspired by some amazing websites that they look like games. So I said, okay, let's make it look like a little bit like Mario Bros. And Cosine and Genie delivered, so let's actually start checking the result. And yes, maybe the first iteration wasn't great and we had to fix a lot of things, but that's why we are here. For example, in this case, I don't really like how it looks my name here. I don't think that you can read it easily. And I also didn't really like some lines on the background. So I asked Genie to fix that thing and also adjust a few other things in the colors. And again, Genie very quickly delivered what I wanted. So let's refresh one more time and see the result. Okay, it already looks a little bit better. The background has cleared out a bit and I don't see the lines, but this time I don't really like the footer, so I think that we will go back and ask Genie to fix the footer. Also here in the videos I can see the titles, and then when I click on the articles I also cannot see the articles. On the speaking page there is a list of my speaking engagements, but that's not how I like it. And on the links, I cannot see some icons. So again, I think that we should go back and ask Genie to fix all those things. Okay, a quick recap and we are back. This time the footer looks much better. I have the white background so I can read the footer. Also the header is more clear. The videos, here we still have some issues as I would like to see the titles. And the speaking engagement, it does look a little bit better. I can see the 6 last places that I visited, but I want to have a map. And in this map, I also want to have some pins. Okay, the links are again a little bit better. I have some icons, some more icons than the previous time, but I can notice that the footer doesn't look so good here on this page. So I'm back with Genie and trying to fix all those bugs and make some improvements. We have more way to go, but I'm positive that we will be there pretty soon. Perfect. Let's check it one more time, and this time the links are looking better except of LinkedIn. The footer also looks a little bit better, but on the speaking page I still have some issues. And let me tell you, actually the speaking page was the hardest one to fix because I was very precise on how I wanted to look like in the end. But let's go back and ask one more time to fix some issues. I had some issues with my YouTube videos, like I wanted to be able to see the titles but also see the dates. And remember that all those information are from my GitHub README page. So everything that I had there, then I wanted Genie to take it and show it to my new website. And let's see what it did. Okay, one more time. In the About Me section, everything looks nice. The footer has been improved. On the videos, yes, this time I can see the titles and I can see the dates. Also, the thumbnails have been improved, as I don't see that black background that I used to see, and the titles take the whole space, because previously I had this gray or the transparent background that I didn't really like, but now it's exactly how I wanted. Also, the links are looking amazing. They are black and white and I can see everything. The articles do look cool. Here I've never had really any issues, so the only thing that I need to fix now is the speaking page. Here I still have some issues, but I'm back on Genie and I will ask one more time to add all the countries that I've visited, add pins to the map, and make it possible for the user to drag the map. Here I'm also visiting a link, so I can make sure that links are working nicely. I realized one issue that I had with the countries and why I couldn't see all the countries that I have visited, and that was because on the README page, I had misspelled a few countries. That's very, very embarrassing. And also in some other cases, I didn't give the country, but I gave only the city. So Genie didn't know where exactly to put the pin. But we fixed that issue as well. Let's see the result one more time, and this time I can see more pins. I can zoom in and I can zoom out, which looks much better. It's not finalized, so I asked Genie one more time to double check all the pins and all the countries and making sure that the zoom in and zoom out works perfectly, and that's what it did. So here is the final result. This is how the articles look. I really like it and everything works as it should. Then we have the speaking page, which again, it does finally look good. Yeah, we have all the pins, we have all the countries. I can zoom in and out, I can drag it, and again, it is how it was supposed to be. Amazing. So let's do a quick recap of the website. Here is how it looks like. This is the links, the About Me section, and of course the articles, and last but not least the videos. So I really like the final result and I hope that you liked it too as well. Give it Cosine and try and let us know your thoughts, share your feedback with us. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and good luck with everything that you're building. Happy coding!